Wait, before you buy your first car as a student in the USA, you need to hear this. Most students make one simple mistake. They choose a car based on looks or hype and end up paying for it later with repairs, fuel costs, and stress. But what if you could pick a car that's reliable, affordable, easy to maintain, and actually makes your life easier instead of harder? Stay with me because this honest story might save you thousands of dollars. Now imagine this, you've just arrived in the USA as a student. New city, new life, new responsibilities. At first, everything feels exciting, but then reality hits. You need transportation. Public transport isn't always reliable, rides are expensive, and suddenly, owning a car becomes a necessity, not a luxury. So you start searching. You see flashy cars online, sporty designs, cheap deals that look too good to be true. And that's where most students go wrong. Because buying a car is not just about the price you pay upfront, it's about what comes after. Maintenance, fuel, insurance, repairs. These things add up quickly. That's why smart students don't chase the coolest car, they choose the smartest one. Take the Toyota Corolla for example. It may not turn heads, but it's known for one thing: reliability. This is the kind of car that starts every morning without drama. It doesn't demand attention, it just works. And when you're a student, that peace of mind is priceless. Then there's the Honda Civic, a little more stylish, a little more fun to drive, but still incredibly reliable. It gives you a balance, something that feels good to drive without becoming a financial burden. And that's important, because you don't just want a car, you want freedom without stress. Now think about the Toyota Camry. Slightly bigger, more comfortable, perfect if you're doing long drives or sharing rides with friends. It feels more premium, but still stays within a reasonable budget if you buy it used. These are not just cars, they are solutions. They solve problems instead of creating them. Now let's be honest, owning a used car is not always perfect. There will be small issues, maybe a tire change, maybe a battery problem, maybe regular servicing. But the difference is, with the right car, these problems stay small. They don't turn into expensive disasters. That's why choosing the right model matters more than choosing the cheapest deal. Another important thing students often ignore is fuel economy. In the USA, you might drive more than you expect. Daily commutes, grocery runs, part-time jobs, road trips. Your car becomes part of your routine. And if your car consumes too much fuel, you'll feel it every week. Cars like the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla are known for being fuel efficient. That means less money spent on gas and more money saved for things that actually matter. Now let's talk about insurance. As a student, especially if you're new in the country, insurance can be expensive, but choosing a simple, reliable car can help keep those costs lower. Flashy sports cars might look cool, but they come with higher insurance, higher maintenance, and more risk. And honestly, that's not what you need right now. What you need is stability, a car that helps you build your life, not complicate it. Now picture this, you finally buy your first car. It's not the flashiest, it's not the fastest, but it's yours. You drive to your university, park it outside your apartment, take it on your first road trip with friends. That feeling is different. It's not about showing off, it's about independence, about knowing you made a smart decision. Over time, you realize something important. The best car for a student is not the one that impresses others, it's the one that supports your journey. It's the one that shows up every day, doesn't break your budget, and quietly makes your life easier. So when you're choosing your first car in the USA, don't rush, don't chase trends. Focus on reliability, affordability, and practicality. Because at this stage of your life, every dollar matters, every decision matters, and the right car can make a bigger difference than you think. In the end, it's not about buying a car, it's about making a smart move for your future. And if you choose wisely, that simple decision can save you money, reduce stress, and give you the freedom every student truly needs.